wasn't used. And so I am about becoming America's pest control guy for a reason, because I'm intentional about what I want to do in the future.
Yep.
And I don't necessarily want to build a $20 million company. So I did that. And now this is why you see me posting every day. I got a lead in Texas. I got a lead in this. I got a lead in that. But the reason is because of where my site ranks. Yep. And I worked on getting that site to rank for a reason, because everything else I could pay for.
Yep.
But I can't hire an SEO agency right now to do what I do in-house for less than 10 to 15 grand a month.
I believe that. Because
of the amount of content we're putting out. I mean, I put out 3 videos a week, 3 blog posts, and that's just video, and 3 podcasts on different platforms. Yep. So we're talking about easily 15 pieces of content a week, when the average company is saying, we want to charge you $2,000 a month to put out a blog a month. You know, when I go into blog mode, I'm putting a blog out every day.
Yep.
At 1,500 words